Grand Rising. Oh, man. Waking up. Let's see. 5:21 a.m. And I just wanted to film a little morning routine, Vanlife morning routine video. It's early, we just got up. Alison had to run inside this Starbucks right here. Hey, how was it?
It was good.
Yeah?
Much better.
Good. I need this light to see your face. Good morning.
Thank God for Starbucks. It's so bright. The sun hasn't even come up yet.
So nice to be able to wake up in the van, park wherever we want, and then just get up with the sunrise. It is so important to be in tune with the natural rhythms of the earth. Our circadian rhythm is so important to wake up with the sunrise, get out and connect with nature. Having a morning routine that involves grounding, energizing, and rejuvenation of the soul. This is huge. This is my priority when it comes to living a healthy, long life. It's been over 3 years living in the van. There's nothing more exciting than just waking up in a new spot you've never been before, going out and just traveling and looking forward to a new trail or wildlife that you get to see, or some sort of beauty that you just get to embrace every single morning. There's nothing like having sunshine touch your skin first thing, soaking up all those vitamins and nutrients from the universe itself. The van life allows us to just get out and get outside every single day and spend most of our time outdoors. It's something that is very overlooked in this modern age. We really need to get connected with the earth. A lot of our modern problems are sourced from disconnection with the universe, and our lifestyle needs to include a routine that involves the earth and getting energized from the source itself. Big inhale. 1, 2, 3. Wow, this is the good stuff.